Great. Is the microphone on? Can you all hear me? Great. I did not know you had to turn the microphone on. Thank you very much, Gabby, for helping me out. And I'm going to give you a ticket on Tuesday if you watch this video. Only good if you tell me to get it to you on Tuesday. Alright. So we want to find the inverse. So this is a quadratic. And this is a cubic. Why is it quadratic? Because it's a square. Why is it a cubic? Because it's a cube. And right here, this is a cube root. Find the inverse. So we have x equals 2 x plus y plus 7 squared minus 10. Add 10 equals 2 times y plus 7 squared divided by 2. And then we have, take this, and then we have x plus 10 over 2 equals y plus 2, 7 squared. Opposite of squared is square root. So now I have the square root of x plus 10 over 2 equals y plus 7, and then you're going to subtract the 7. And because you have the square root, this type is square root. Don't forget to finish the problem. This one over here, switch them, x equals x y minus 4 cubed plus 5, subtract 5, y plus minus 4 cubed. Opposite of cubed is not square root, but cube root. So I have x minus 5 cube root equals y minus 4. Going to finish solving by adding the 4. And then what kind of function is it? It's like number 3. Good job. Cube root. This one, switch x and y. X equals the cube root of y minus 7 plus 14. Add 14 equals the cube root of y minus 7. And then I have x plus 14 equals the cube. And then I'm going to cube both sides, which equals y minus 7. And then I'm going to finish solving by having you add 7. Finish solving, and then what kind of function is it? Because it has a cube, it's a cubic. It says depreciate, which means I'm going to do 1 minus 0.20. So the function is 35,000 times 1 minus 100 minus 20 is 0.80 to the x. How much will that truck be worth after 5 years? So do 35,000 times 0.80 to the 5th. And then you type that in. 35,000 times 0.8, a to the b, and then type in 5. You get 11,468.8 dollars. Pretty bummer. Cycle. After an inspection, your home is found to be invested with $125 collectibles every week. Write a function. So your initial times quadruple means 4, so 4 to the x. So plug in 12 times 4 to the 4. That's what you get. Thank you very much. In the morning, you get a cup of coffee that has 10 to 130 milligrams of caffeine. There's nothing from the body area at 1% an hour. Auto function, so that's 1 minus 0.11. So that's 130 watt to the x. And then you plug that in, 130 times whatever you got earlier to the 14. Put that in your calculator. Good job. But they give Jackie. I was going to 55 okay, first Starbucks she treats Jackie with Starbucks every Friday, so it's write a function. So this one is just minus. So normally we do that. This is a linear because it just goes down each week, so it's 55 minus 6.95 to the x. So how many Fridays will she run out? So we said 0 equals 55 minus 6.95x. Added 6.95x equals 55 divided by 6.95 and see what you get. Nice job, everyone. Alright, write each expression as a radical form. So this I always write it as the square root of 36 cubed. So what's square root of 36? 6 cubed is 216, I think. Here, so you write the bottom 5 is the number that goes here, and then 32, which we did earlier, which was 2. Right here, negative 27 raised to the cube root, which is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Because it's a cube root, you're allowed to have a negative number. This one is, what's the cube root of 8 squared? Cube root of 8 is 2. That's 2 squared. Good job. Write it as a rational exponent. Do not simplify. Nice. So we have 9. That goes on bottom, so 5 on bottom, and then 10 on top. Which I think you could write as 9 squared if you wanted to. Which equals 81. This right here, what number is this? 2. So it's 8 to the 3 over 2. This one's 4 to the 1/5. Whatever number this is, goes on bottom. Whatever number's here, goes right there. And then this is 27 to the square root over 3, which I think is 3 squared, which is 9. Sketch the graph. Plug in 0. Zero times 0, 3 to the 0 is 1, so that's 2. Plug in 1. 3, that's 6. Plug in 2, you get 9, which is 18. Plug in negative 1, you get 1/3, which is 2/3. And you plug in negative 2, you get 2/9. So we'll graph this. 0, 2, 1, 6. 2 18s equal up there, so we won't graph it. Negative 1, 1 2/3. And then negative 2, 2/9. Remember our asymptote, because we have no plus anything, plus 0, it's at y equals that. And then our line did it ever touch that 0? No. So the range is 0, infinity, y is less than 0. Or less than, I guess 0 is less than y. Or y is, yeah. The range is all our numbers. That's how much y equals 0. So whatever this number is, goes there. Swapping, so I got negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1 and 2, 2/9, 2/3, 2, 6, and 18. So we graph this. 6, 1, 0, 2, 2/3, negative 1. Like this. Our asymptote is right here. Remember, you just take this. That goes here. You take this, and that goes here. That's 0 less than x less than infinity. And then take your asymptote, and that goes here, but instead of being at y, it's x. So that's the graph. I don't really need the table, so I'm going to do the parent function. 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, or 2, 8, negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 8. And I'm going to move this up 4, left 1. So the points that I have are negative 3, negative 4, negative 1, 0, negative 1, 4, negative 2, 3, and then I have 0, 5, and 1, 11. So I switch my points. Negative 4, 3, 4, 5, 11, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. Graph those. Negative 4, negative 3, 3, negative 2, 4, negative 1, 5, 0, and 11, 1. And then my axis symmetry right to the middle. And the domain is all the numbers, you switch them, all the numbers. And the inverse is y or x equals the cube root, x plus y plus 1 cubed plus 4. Go ahead and finish solving for that one. Find the value, so it's negative because it's a fraction, and then what 4 to the what power gets you 16. Nice job. So that's just negative, so it's a fraction over what's 5 squared? 25. What to the 2 power is 8? Nope, 2. And then to 9, normally 9 squared gets it, so it's the half of that. There's nearly 1, so it's 0. And that's a fraction, so it's negative, and then 49 is 2. And then take that, it's going to be 3. I think it's negative 3, it's negative right there. And then how many zeros are there? That's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, squared, cubed, quadrupled. Stacking function machines. You want to plug in f equals 5. So what's f of 5 equal to? Put it in here. What'd you get? 6. Now take that 6 and plug in the g. What'd you get? I got 5. Do you notice how the points right here are 5, 6, and 6, 5? Those opposite, so they're inverses. Inverses because points flipped. I hope you enjoyed this homework video. I'm really glad that you watched. Have a wonderful evening.